Is outdoor yard work ripping up your skin on your arms and your hands? Do the thorns and the branches reach out and get in a battle, and they definitely are winning? Today we're going to make an Owie Spray that will soothe your skin and help it to feel and look better quicker. To make this video, we're going to take and we're going to add 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of frankincense, and 10 drops of melaleuca or tea tree oil. And we're going to top it off with some water. Add your spray top. And you're ready to go. You just want to make sure you shake it really well before you use it to mix the oils in the water, because oils and water don't mix. And then all you do is give it a little spritz where your skin is upset, and you're set to go. This is where I started out the day after having cleaned out my black raspberries that are very thorny, and I was a mess. I used the Owie Spray once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and then added a body butter. See the little link up here for the body butter recipe. And within 5 days, this is what they look like. No more scabs, no more irritation, no welts. The difference was amazing. I also had scratches from the branches on my legs and ankles. Those I did not spray with Owie Spray, and that's been 2 weeks now, and they are still there. From my personal experience, Owie Spray definitely helps your skin to look and feel better quicker when it encounters minor traumas. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.